This is why I came.
How do you feel about this, Josh?
Feel sorry.
I think it's good for him. Eric, how you feeling?
You need to wake up.
To the west side.
You're falling asleep on the arm.
No. Good. It's like it's a feeling, it's like a sensation. It's just like get it done. Scratch it away.
It's getting like delusional for the pain.
You're gonna die one day.
The pain's making them all spiritual.